In this video, I'll show you how to set up a payment plan in Stripe. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard. From the left menu, click Product Catalog, then click Create Product. Next, enter a name for your product and any optional details you'd like to include. After that, scroll to the pricing section and click Add a Price. If you want customers to pay on a recurring basis, choose Recurring and select the billing interval, such as monthly or yearly. If you're creating installment payments through a custom integration, choose the pricing option that matches your business model. Now enter the price, choose your currency, and save the product. Next, if you're using Stripe payment links, checkout, or a subscription-enabled platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, connect the product to your checkout flow so customers can purchase the subscription or recurring payment plan. Finally, test the checkout experience to make sure customers can successfully subscribe and that recurring payments are processed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a payment plan in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.